Hi friends, Sam here. So I was doing career consultancy call with one of the Tibco Bw5 professional with 8 years of experience on a well-reputed company, and now the dilemma was he was in dilemma that whether I should go to upskill to Bw6 or I should cross skill to Mulesoft, which is the high demand product in the market. Definitely Mulesoft is high demand product in the market. So guys, I do provide training and career transformation program for Tibco, Bw6 as well as Bw5 as well as Salesforce and Mulesoft and everything. But what I do basically, I studied this professional case carefully. Now that person wanted to stay in the current company. Okay, so this particular professional wanted to stay in the current company. So my next question was, in your current company, do you have a significant number of Mulesoft project or not? So answer was no. Actually, his company is having so many Tibco Bw6 projects. So naturally, for this person, my straightaway career advice was get upskill to Bw6. Okay, and what I suggested, I will give you the program which will make you equivalent to 2 years experience professional in Tibco Bw6. Okay, so whenever you shift from your Bw5 to Bw6 project, what do you have to do? Find out IJPs in your current company, internal job postings. Maybe your company may call it as something else, but most of the company call it as IJPs. Find out the IJPs and hunt Bw6 projects. Talk to your manager and then contact these Bw6 opportunity people. Maybe their project HR representative or maybe PMs, project managers of that project. Contact them and do the smooth transition to Bw6. Whatever learning part is there, I will own that. That is my responsibility to make you equivalent to 2 years experience professional, you know. And your other PM will not get the fresh Bw6 person, but he will get actually very good trained and very good experience, because my program include project implementation and case studies and everything, you know. So your PM who is like Bw6 project manager, that project manager will be very happy to get you because you already know a lot of things, you know. So that's what the plan you need to follow. Summarizing that, what was the advice? If you spent like 7 years, 8 years or more than that in Bw5, first thing for sure, get out of Bw5, guys. There is no, like, I don't want to say no, but very small number of positions available of Bw5 development. Remember that. Okay, so get into Bw6 if you want to stay in the company where Bw6 projects are more and your chances to get absorbed over there are more. No need to look at the Mulesoft's glamorous picture, you know. Of course, if you want to jump in the industry, I would have suggested Mulesoft to this particular professional. Remember that if you are Bw5, my program, 3-month program of Mulesoft, that will very well make you 2 years equivalent in Mulesoft, no doubt about that. But if you wanted to jump in the industry, then my plan will be definitely different. Okay, so guys, everybody has their own career roadmap and it is very personalized one. If you want me to help you to design your career roadmap, feel free to ping on this particular WhatsApp number I'm giving on this video, or maybe in the link you will get the direct link to ping the WhatsApp. Okay, I'm always around to help you. Another update, I started a video series, Sam's video series, and in that video series I share once in a week very valuable post with you, mostly video or maybe blog or maybe something, but some valuable stuff will come to you once in a week. That's my guarantee, right? So guys, I hope so on this video series registration link, go and register over there and you will get the welcome mail, welcome message from me on WhatsApp, and then it will get started. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.